Hello. I went to Walmart the other day and found these Pac-Man squishies. I got 5 containers, so I'm going to open them here. They are called Mashems, and I think they were $2.88 each. And this is the first time I'd ever seen Mashems or like Pac-Man. They had all kinds of different kinds of brands. They had My Little Pony. They had Monster High. I almost picked up some Monster High ones, but I decided to start with the Pac-Man, and if I really like how they look, I might go back and buy some Monster High ones. But when we went to Dave & Buster's today, the prize room has been updated, and there was a lot more cool stuff, and they actually had these Mashems. Not the Pac-Man Mashems, but they had like DC comic heroes Mashems, you know, like Batman and stuff, and they had the My Little Ponies, and I'm sorry, my nose is itching. We went for a walk today, so my allergies are killing me. Anyway, so I don't know, Mashems must be the newest craze right now, and they say super squishy. So I'm going to figure out how to open these. It does look like there's an easy pull tab. Doesn't mean that it's easy. Oh. Don't want to. There we go. Oh my god. Maybe. As I poke myself with my letter opener. Oh my god. I hate these things that's supposed to look easy and they're really not. Oh my god, I'm not gonna get it open. Okay, wait. I think I got it. I think I got it started. Alright, here we go. Alright, let me put my letter opener down. Okay. So, it's just a black plastic container. Pop it open. Ooh! And it's the pink ghost. So cute. And, I don't really consider this like a squishy. This feels like a gel. Oh my god, I don't know how to describe it. You remember those toys that we had kids that you throw against the wall? Kind of reminds me of that. It's just not sticky. So it's definitely not a foamy squishy. I like it, don't get me wrong, but this isn't like the Disney squishies I opened the other day. Completely different material. It's interesting. So this is the pink ghost from Pac-Man, and I didn't know that they had specific names. I googled it. So the pink one is also called Pinky or Speedy, depending if you're looking at the game or the cartoon. So anyway, I had no idea they had names, but apparently they do. That's just, I don't know how to explain it. It's like this weird plastic. It's plastic. It's not a Japanese squishy, that's for sure. So, I don't know. I don't know my thoughts and feelings yet. I have to think about that. It's not what I was expecting. Let me see where the easy... Okay, you know what? This letter opener is not working. Let's see. Will my scissors work or will I kill myself? Okay. They don't make this easy. Oh my god, I'm about to stab myself. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. These are not easy to open, but once you get it started. Alright. This one is the blue ghost. Okay, I like it. Again, I mean, they are squishy, but it's just this weirdest... It's a weird plastic. It's not foam at all. It's total plastic. And the blue one is inky or bashful, depending what you pay attention to. Like, there was a cartoon for a while where they had a certain name, and then there was a comic book where they had a certain name. I mean, Pac-Man's been around forever, so when I played it originally, they were just called ghosts. Okay, oh my god. I'm trying to... These are not easy to open at all. Okay, here we go. Alright. I think I will go ahead and buy the Monster High because I want to do a comparison. Like, are all the series this plastic stuff? Oh, a duplicate. Now I have 2 pinks. I only got 5, so already a duplicate. Alright, I really want a Pac-Man, not just the ghost. So, like I said, they were at Dave & Buster's today. I wish I would have paid more attention how many tickets. I want to say they were 200 tickets, but then maybe they were 800 tickets, because it was 200 tickets just for a Laffy Taffy. I bet they were 800 tickets each. You know what? Next time I go back, Maybe next time I go back I'll do another game room tour so we can see what these are. It can't be 200. It's probably like 800. Okay, and a red one. Alright, I got the red one, which is Blinky or Shadow. And they just feel weird. There's like something in the middle. It's not like completely solid. It's definitely hollow, and there's like a ball in the middle. This just reminds me of a bouncy ball, kinda. Alright, one more. Last one. So I like these, but I'm not gonna buy any more. I don't need a complete collection. If you like squishies, these aren't squishy. It says super squishy, and they're called Mashems. And I don't know, they are called Mashems. I'm trying to see who makes them. Doesn't really say the name of the company. It just says Pac-Man and Mashems. Series 1. Well, I don't care what Series 2 is, because, I mean, there is only, oh my god, I got the orange! Okay, so really, all I'm missing is the light blue ghost and Pac-Man. So, is this orange? So I have orange, and I have red, and I have pink, and I have blue, and I can't get over how shiny and plasticky they look. So, if you're a child of the 80s, you remember when we used to get plastic octopuses that you would throw at the wall, and they'd stick on the wall, and they would, like, just fall down the wall, and it was cool when it worked, but most of the time it didn't work. These are just like that, but not sticky. It's just perplexing. It's like, I don't know how they're shiny and not sticky. It's just, and like I said, they're hollow and there's something on the inside. So it's kind of like you're squishing a bouncy ball. No, that's not, you know how sometimes those balls that are filled with water, that's what it reminds me of. These are not filled with water, don't get me wrong, but that's what it reminds me of. So, definitely not like the squishies that are being made today. So, I definitely think I'm going to pick up the Monster High to do a comparison, because they didn't look anything like this. So, I'm wondering if Monster High will be foam, or if they will also be this weird plastic. So, anyway, these were from Walmart. I think they were $2.88 each. And if you have tons of Dave & Buster's tickets, you can get My Little Pony, and I think they're called DC Heroes, like Superman and stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and if you like toys, please hit the subscribe button, because I will be posting tons of more videos. Thank you.